Time to get away from the busy streets and back to nature with a camping trip in the wilderness.
For this time camping, we'll take our bikes, and this is the 4 bike carrier we purchased from Walmart, and this is Allen Sports, and this is very good. It can hold 1. We already put 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll take 3 bikes today, not all 4, and then put the big one on the back and then 2 smaller on the front. And I also tie the wheel along with this stump so it will not move. So have a look. This is a very useful 4 bike carrier.
This video will keep you entertained and is also great for planning your future camping trips. Our destination this time is Geneva State Park. If you are new to camping or just planning on getting started, this video will get you up to speed with what you need to know. Here at Geneva State Park campground, and this is our first day here, and we are putting on our tent. So we'll show you putting on a tent. This is a new tent, so let's give it a try. This video will provide you with travel tips, campsite reviews, guides, and so much more. Says it's supposed to, you can put it on in 2 minutes, so let's see. Once you have mastered the art of camping, getting away for the weekend and discovering somewhere new is easy. Whether it's a night in a backyard tent under the stars or an annual retreat in the woods, camping is a wonderful way for your family to enjoy time outdoors together.
Actually 2 minutes to make this up, but it takes at least 5 to 10 minutes because some of these, you have to pull this on.
Now we're inside the tent. This tent has multiple features. It has lights, 3 modes, 3 low, medium, high. It also has a Bluetooth speaker. It also has 2 doors. It also got AC from both sides of the tent. And this also comes with 4 windows. And for the lights and 3D speaker, you need 4 4D batteries.
Light the jali daw.
It will come in this pack, and you put it in like that.
Light the jali daw. Keep it on.
Of the tent that you saw that you set up. This is a new one. This is a cabin tent. It's a little bit bigger. You can put at least 2 queen size bed inside and with some space still after that. There are 2 doors, one from the this side, one other side. As you saw from inside, there are 2 outlets for AC if you want to put AC, and there are many other facilities, attributes you're going to see inside the tent. So yeah, this is the whole cabin tent from Ozark Trail. Yeah, we like it.
So now we are going to have some snacks. So I'm going to make some guacamole for all of us. So for guacamole, we have added avocado and some tomato, and then we'll add some lime. and some onion, and of course some chili and garlic. Guacamole. We have our chips and guacamole ready to serve. Ooh. Avan is helping me chopping some salads. We are ready to cook chicken now. The chicken is already marinated from home. We had some chopped onions, and the gas grill is ready for the chicken to be cooked. It's close to 10 at night, and you can see it's dark everywhere. So we have just started cooking.
Okay, let's put the chicken in. The masala is ready. These are marinated.
Once the sun sinks below the horizon and you're warming your toes by the campfire, these fun time with family and friends will for sure bond you together. It's a really nice weather. It's not too hot, not too cool, just perfect. Ooh. Oh. So the chicken is almost done. Everybody is tasting the chicken. You can see it. How's the chicken?
Good.
Sheba, how's the chicken?
Chicken, rice, dal. This is poppy seed. Posto. Aloo posto with jhinge. This is great. Vitaliji did that.
So that's our dinner for tonight.
Yeah, it's an awesome dinner.
Kids are... Sleeping in a tent is a great adventure for kids and adults. Big tent, 8 persons, so 2 queen beds easily fit in. This is Saturday morning. Yesterday we slept really well. It was little colder than we expected, but it's okay. We got our heater, so today night we will be more equipped. So overall it was really a good night. Woke up in the morning with nice sound of birds, and now here we are making our breakfast. So tea is on this side, and on the other side we are going to make omelette and scrambled egg. And we did brought a toaster, so we are making our bread toast early in the morning. So there you are. If you are coming to Geneva and you want to stay in the cabins by the lake, this is where you will stay, and you can see what an amazing view is this. Wow. Geneva State Park is located on the shore of Lake Erie in Geneva, Ohio. Park activities include hiking, camping, fishing, boating, canoeing, and swimming, with more winter sports.
Cooking mutton. That is goat curry, and help, and I'm getting help and support from everybody. All my friends. Right now, what is happening here? We put the mutton, marinated and put in a freezer. So I'm kind of thawing and also cooking a little bit. And then I'm cooking masala here separately. And then I'm going to distribute it into cooker with the potato. So it will be potato mutton curry.
We'll show you more how we are making it. Have the batter ready, and the cauliflowers in the batter. And I added a little bit of chili in there too to make it give that little spicy kick. and we are deep frying them in oil. So these will be crispy, crunchy, and yummy.
How is the pakoda?
Very good, very tasty.
You are having sweet tea or what? Green tea with pakoda?
Ginseng tree.
Ginseng tea. Okay.
Hey.
Mutton curry is almost ready. We have to just cover it, make a couple of whistles, and then it's ready. We'll have rice with that. I'll put the final touch, the garam masala, and then I'll cover it. Cook it for 5 to 10 minutes.
So we have rice and dal, jhinge aloo posto, salad, mutton, and chicken.
Those are all yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy.
I love eating. Especially tasty food. Prepared by Ananya. All I have to do is sit and eat.
How's the mutton? Good. Can you say something? We are at Geneva Lake, and you can see it's really nice weather and looking good. Is it cold? Cold?
You can play and swim in this guarded swimming beach and adore the shoreline of Lake Erie. Swimmers rejoice in the beautiful sand beach, while nature enthusiasts retreat to the park's freshwater marshes. This beauty inspires you to fall in love with the great outdoors. Is there anything more peaceful than taking in the quiet beauty of the setting sun? It is a great reminder to rest and reset our hearts and minds at the end of each and every day, and look forward to a new beginning. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below. We sure appreciate your support. It encourages and motivates us to bring more amazing and exciting videos for you all. Thank you, and meet you soon in our next episode. Till then, goodbye.